what we're doing right now is the teeth for the inside. So I just took white cardboard, cut out the teeth, so it's gonna go inside the mask behind the actual foam teeth. And we're gonna make it look gooey. So what I'm gonna do, with my glue gun, glue all over it so it looks like gums with little veins, and then we're gonna paint a dark red over it. I only have bright red, so I'm gonna mix in some black with it to make it dark. So this will be the purple guy's face. So is it so far. You can see here, squiggly. Next part will be the painting, but we're gonna let this cool for a little bit, just so the paint stays on good. It's still a little bit warm. Here's to hoping that this works out the way I think it will. Okay, so we got a red. We're gonna just paint this. Nope, I had to do a few coats. You can quite tell. It's gonna be see-through. So it looks darker for the next round. First, hopefully it gives it the effect we want it to in the end. We want this to look very creepy. What I might do on this side, add more glue just to give it more of that effect. Not really popped out that much. Yeah, so I'll let this coat dry over. So this is what we got so far. I sealed it so that way then if it does end up raining, because we live in a city that rains a lot, that the paint won't come off. So you see that white, that will clear once dry clear. It's just not dry yet. So that's the purple guy's mouth, which will go here to make it look extra creepy.